It's Tuesday, February 28th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. Just maybe we're getting a little bit closer to that R word. StatsCan today reporting fourth quarter gross domestic product data. Economic growth for the final 3 months of last year, flat after 5 straight quarterly increases. Most notable, though, is the fact that economic output actually fell by 0.1% in December, although household spending for the quarter was ahead by 0.5% compared to a 0.1% decline in Q3. First quarter bank earnings, the Bank of Montreal's acquisition of the Bank of the West in the U.S. showing up on BMO's bottom line, which was down sharply to just $247 million. Scotiabank also saw its Q1 take tumble by 35% to just under $1.8 billion. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat is your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries, on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Yet more disturbing evidence that BC's all-important forest industry is in the midst of a steep decline. A Central One credit union analysis noting that over the last couple of months, over 800 jobs have been chopped through sawmill and pulp mill curtailments. Chief Economist Brian Yu pointing out that while BC's forest sector employed around 90,000 back in the early 2000s, that figure right now is under 48,000. And still falling. A new spotlight on Canada's trade with China, with government data noting that 2022 was a record year. The home and native lands imports from China topping $100 billion, while Canadian products going the other way also had a best ever, with sales of $27.9 billion. And hold the phone on financial services giant Canaccord Genuity going private. A company committee reviewing a $1.13 billion management buyout has just said calling the initial proposal too low. And that will do it for your Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.